Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought because I have this wonderful pink hair, I should do a Toni Topaz makeup tutorial and maybe show you an outfit look at the end. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. I'm just gonna get right into the video and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So I'm gonna start off with my Hoola bronzer and I'm just gonna put it in the hollow points of my cheekbone. On my forehead. Oh, and if you see this mark on my face, I actually get hives so bad all the time. I don't know why. I think it's like I'm allergic to detergent and like certain soaps and stuff. So if you see hives on my face, I'm very sorry. And then using a bigger brush and my Charlotte Tilbury Film Master, what is it? Film Star. Film Master, sure Alyssa. Film Star Bronze and Glow. And I'm just going to go over the places I just contoured with. Now I'm just going to contour my nose. With the same exact bronzer, I'm just going to contour my nose. And I tend to like to blend out my nose contour with my finger because I feel like it gives it the most seamless look. If you feel like it needs some cleaning up, which I'm going to do right now, I like to take my beauty blender and my setting powder and just bake around the sides. Now she always has really blushing cheeks, at least in my opinion, so I think I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics blush palette. It looks like this. So many different blushes to choose from. And I'm gonna take this purpley pink one at the bottom and mix it with the one next to it. One of my all-time new favorite highlighters. I think this highlighter is so good. It's Fuego by Dose of Colors Desi X Katie. I love them both so much, but this is like a seriously great highlighter. It's a really pretty gold and Toni Topaz always has that glow going on, so we're just gonna apply some. And now to set all of the powders on my face, I'm going to take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, which is the best setting spray in the whole entire world. If you don't own it, you need to get it. And now going on to eyes, this is one of the best palettes for her eye look. I mean, I think so at least. It is the Lime Crime Venus XL palette, and it has beautiful warm red and pink shades. So first I'm going to start off with, we'll take this brown in the upper corner. It's called Idolized, and I'm just going to run that through my crease. And now Toni Topaz has a halo eye, so, well, at least from what I can see. So what a halo eye is you darken the inner corner of your eye and the outer corner, and then you apply a lighter shade to the center of your eye. So for the next shade, I'm going to take the shade Aphrodite right here. It looks super dark, but I'm gonna use a really light hand. And taking a brush like this, I'm going to start applying it to the inner and outer corner of my eye. And I'm also going to apply it through my crease as well. And now taking a clean brush that I use to put the crease color in, I'm just going to blend out the pink. Now I'm going to take Ethereal, and it's a light shimmering pink, and I'm just going to apply it to the center of my lid. Now taking that same pink shade, I'm going to go underneath the eye. And I'm going to blend it out with the brown, that same brown we put through the crease. Alright, off camera I did my winged liner, and now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. And the mascara I'm using is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For my waterline, I'm just going to apply this Riverdale. I don't know the name, but it's a black smoky eye pencil. And I'm just going to apply it to my waterline. To brighten up the inner corners of my eye, I'm just going to take my Stila Ballet Baby. It's like a little liquid glitter type thing. And I'm just going to pop it in my inner corners. For my lips, I'm going to take my MAC Spice lip liner, and I'm just going to outline my lips. And I'm going to fill in the outer corners because Toni has like a bright pink lip that kind of like fades into the center. And now I'm going to take my NYX lipstick, and this is in the shade MLS15 Whipped Caviar. Is that the name of it? I think it is. And now I'm going to take a gloss. This is the White Russian Gloss by Buxom, and I'm going to apply it to the center of my lips. Alright guys, so this is the final look of Toni Topaz from Riverdale. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys were wondering how to get the pink hair, I actually just did a video on that, so go on my channel and find that video. It's really good, and oh, I just love my hair color. I'm obsessed with it. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm on where we are. You could put an ocean between our love.